finish my car.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So there's a few things that I've kind of been hiding from you guys in the background. One being the E30, which is behind me right now, but you guys are not going to get to see exactly what happened yet. So I have been working on the E30 non-stop back-to-back for the last couple of nights, every day after work for like a week. So I got a new body kit for the car, I got a new wing, full aero, everything is done. Finally, I just need to get the car painted for it to look fit and right, and it looks so good from where I'm looking at it right now. let me just turn the camera on and show it to you guys. Oh my goodness. Look at the kit on the E30. Now, I ended up going with the Cliqtuning kit, front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts, and I went with the 326 power wing. Now, this is a fine line tuning wing. Oh man, everybody, do me a favor. I posted this on the forums and a lot of people hated it. A bunch of BMW purists, they came after me, but you know, I don't care. I came from 240s. This is a kit that I would put on a 240. I love it. I love the way it looks. I love the wing, and I love everything. And at the end of the day, this is gonna be like my street drift car. So it just looks so clean right now, like with the roll cage peeping through the window and the red interior with the RPF ones. I am gonna change the wheels. Actually, dudes, pause the video right now and drop a comment. I want some 3-piece Japanese BSKFs, VSSS. I want the craziest 3-piece wheels I can find for this thing. But drop in the comment what you guys think I should get. Maybe some Wedge Cerebrus, but just please look at this car from right here. Like, I cannot explain my love for the E30 right now. I've seen a lot of people in the comments and a lot of people on Instagram. Actually, my Instagram people saw it first, so if you like the car, follow me on Instagram. A lot of people have been telling me that, like, oh, what happened to the E30? Oh, why is it not being built? To be honest, for me to do the kit, mount the wing, like, do all of it by myself and hold the camera was nearly impossible. Like, I'm in love, and all I can say is I need to pick a color, and if you guys can help me, I'd really appreciate it. And of course, the train is coming to interrupt us. But thank you guys for watching. I'll have another update on the BMW soon. A bunch of drift parts are gonna be coming. Thank you guys for watching so much. Peace!